Surviving in the wild or during an emergency isn't just about grit. It's about preparation and having the right tools for the job. Today, we're diving into an incredible survival tool, the Overland vehicle that's built to withstand the toughest conditions and keep you alive when it matters most. Think of it as your mobile survival fortress, combining ruggedness, practicality, and comfort in one powerhouse package. Stick with me, and I'll show you how mastering this tool and the strategies it enables can make all the difference in a survival scenario. Overlanding is about self-reliance and adaptability. Equipped with the essentials for long-term off-grid survival, an Overland vehicle provides a stable base for food, shelter, water, and power in emergencies. Think of it as a survival hub on wheels. Durable tires and suspension systems help you tackle rough terrains, whether escaping disaster zones or seeking safety in remote areas. Integrated power systems like solar panels and batteries ensure reliable power for tools, lights, and communication devices. Built-in water tanks and filters ensure access to safe drinking water, an absolute necessity in any survival scenario. Refrigeration systems and portable stoves keep food fresh and make meal prep simple. Compact sleeping quarters offer protection and rest, crucial for keeping your energy sharp. Practical survival strategies include prioritizing tools like a first aid kit and navigation equipment, maximizing solar power use, and topping up your water supply regularly. Plan escape routes and equip your vehicle with reliable communication tools like a satellite phone or radio. Remember, the vehicle is a tool, not a crutch. Stay calm, think critically, and always have a backup plan. Let's recap. An Overland vehicle is your all-in-one survival tool, offering shelter, power, water, and mobility in emergencies. Equip it wisely, practice using its features, and always plan for the unexpected. Preparation is everything when it comes to survival. Ready to boost your survival game? Start by learning more about Overland vehicles and how to outfit them for emergencies. And don't forget to subscribe for more survival tips and strategies that could one day save your life. Stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you next time.